Capricorn's first hypercar was designed by Zagato. It rides on a carbon monocoque and packs a V8. Limited to 19 units, each priced from $3.15 million. Even in a world overflowing with limited production supercars and hypercars boasting astonishing numbers and intricate design, there's always space for another to make its mark. Enter the 01 Zagato, an ultra-driver-focused creation conceived by Germany's Capricorn Group and shaped by the storied Italian design house. It stays refreshingly pure, pairing a non-electrified V8 with a manual gearbox. While this is the first model to wear the Capricorn badge, the company's background in performance engineering runs deep. Its lightweight components have proven their durability across some of the toughest motorsport arenas, supporting teams such as Porsche in LMP1, Peugeot Sport in Le Mans and Dakar, Mercedes, Lotus, and Caterham in Formula One, and Volkswagen in WRC. Capricorn founder and CEO Robertino Wilde is also a close friend with Zagato president Andrea Michele Zagato, resulting in a project that combines German engineering discipline with Italian design flair. Their goal was to create a road-legal hypercar that is meant to be driven, felt, and remembered. The exterior carries signature Zagato touches such as the double-bubble roof, almond-shaped headlights, and sculpted fenders. Yet its side profile hints at Ford GT inspiration. The wraparound glass with a single wiper brings a Koenigsegg-like silhouette, and the slim LED tail lamps subtly recall Rimac minimalism. Rather than relying on active aerodynamic trickery, the 01 Zagato uses its carefully shaped intakes and outlets to deliver consistent and predictable downforce. The focus was on making the car approachable for skilled enthusiasts and accessible for drivers without racing experience. The interior was designed by Capricorn itself. The centerpiece is a cluster of analog instruments behind a round steering wheel, dominated by the central rev counter. There's no infotainment screen to date the layout, just a small display for the rearview camera that retracts when not needed. That's something we mentioned in a recent QOTD, comparing the post-quartz crisis watch world to what's unfolding with digital displays today. Back then, mechanical watches made a comeback as luxury status symbols, and it's hard not to see history repeating itself. The more screens invade our mainstream dashboards, the more the pricey stuff seems to circle back to old-school analog dials. Switchgear is machined from solid titanium and aluminum, paired with generous use of exposed carbon fiber, Alcantara, and Connolly leather. The fixed seats feature adjustable cushioning, while the steering column, pedal box, and manual gear lever can all be fine-tuned to achieve the ideal driving position. The interior, Capricorn notes, can accommodate a wide range of body types and even includes a 110-liter frunk for luggage. Under the carbon bodywork sits an LMP1 style monocoque chassis, which is also made of carbon fiber, as are the front and rear subframes. The suspension comprises double wishbones and pushrod Bilstein dampers with 3 selectable driving modes: comfort, sport, and track, and a 4-wheel lift system. An electric power-assisted steering setup provides easy maneuverability at low speeds, then disconnects at higher velocities for a direct, mechanical feel. The 21-inch wheels, available in lightweight alloy or carbon fiber, hide Brembo carbon ceramic brakes. And that leads us to the powertrain, which goes against the trend of electrification. The mid-mounted supercharged 5.2-liter V8 is based on a Ford engine that has been further developed by Capricorn with various bespoke components and custom tuning. The result is a powerhouse delivering over 888 horsepower, 662 kilowatts/900 horsepower, and 1,000 Newton-meters, 737.6 lb-ft of torque, all pushing a car that weighs less than 1,200 kilograms, 2,646 pounds, dry, which is about the same as a top-end Miata RF with the retractable hardtop. All that power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a 5-speed dog-leg manual gearbox, a choice that preserves the hypercar's analog character. According to Capricorn, the 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, sprint takes less than 3 seconds, with top speed pegged at 360 km per hour, 224 miles per hour. Production will be limited to just 19 units, each hand-built in Germany and sold in the EU, UK, Switzerland, Japan, Mexico, Canada, and the Middle East. Pricing starts at €2.95 million, $3.15 million, before taxes, placing it alongside offerings from Pagani, Koenigsegg, and Gordon Murray Automotive. Capricorn plans to expand its Nürburgring facilities in 2026, increasing the production capacity. This will allow them to handle future projects in batches of 100 to 200 vehicles per year, opening the door to more supercars and hypercars.